name is Daniel Ordóñez.
Okay, who is your family? Can you show us your family?
Family, father, mother, baby, dog, grandmother.
Very good.
Teacher and students. My name is Nicole Luisa Pozuelo. I will talk about pet care. Care. There was fishes is special food. Water fishes, the water is clean. Thank you.
Very good. And these fish are your pets. What are your pets' names?
Here's Star,
Star. And the other one?
Glotón,
Uh-huh.
and Bella.
You have 3 fish.
My name is Charlie Mejia. I will take about the plant life cycle, seed, row, stem, life, leaf, name, ¿Está bien?
Is it correct? The root? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, it's correct. The root. Okay, other person wants to participate? Steven. Choose one, Steven. Seed. Okay, where's the seed? But on the plant, where can you find it? Yes, very good, Steven. Great. Keep on.
¿Es correcto?
It's correct. Very good, Carlitos. Stem. Is that correct?
Teacher, you have a run.
Yeah, I thought it was a sprout, but it's a seed. So is the stem correct?
Yes.
All right. Very good. Carlitos, what is that?
Huh?
Can I see it? Oh, very nice. Look at the message that Carlitos has. It says, plant your seed to make
the world a greener place.
beautiful.
In Krista, I will talk about home adaptation. This house had to survive a hurricane. And so, can I show it?
Applauses for the house.
So I'm going to explain that it's made. It's
Mhm.
made. He have a corners, rib. He have corners having rib. Has 3 layers A in each
Side.
side.
Okay.
Thing.
How many people can live in your house?
100.
100 people. So it can be a shelter.
100.
Do you have any activity for the students today? Yes? Okay, listen,
I
class.
have in 5 minutes you have to build.
Okay, great. The
The
puzzle.
picture that you have to form is this.
A home. Very good. Okay. All of the students?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody make a puzzle. What animal is this?
Cow.
Uh-huh.
Horse.
Uh-huh.
Duck.
Uh-huh. Do you have a pig in your farm? Yes. Where is it? Ah, it's a sticker. Okay. Do you have a chicken in your farm? Where is the chicken? Oh, only a rooster. Do you have sheep in your farm? Yes, you have a sheep. What other animals, Daniela? Pig, horse, chicken, and what is that? That's a rabbit. Uh-huh.